Okay, so my students will be creating a presentation about their favorite famous person and why they're inspirational to them. And then along with this presentation, they'll also be creating their own paper about it. So I'm going to show them how to create this document. So first, we have to pick our favorite famous person, and obviously I picked Post Malone. And then we're also going to create a template. This is a template I decided to go with. So first we're gonna start out about listing a couple facts about him, and these are the ones that I knew off the top of my head. His real name is actually Austin Post. He was born July 4th, 1995. His first album is Stoney. The song that made him famous was called Why Iver's On. And so then within this slide, I'm also gonna have my students post a picture of their celebrity. So I'm gonna go and I'm going to copy this image and I'm going to go back to the presentation and I'm going to paste it. And obviously it's huge. So what I'm going to do is I actually am going to change the template to make it look like this because I really like how that looks. Um, and so then a few other things I'm going to have my students do is just we're going to add a new slide and they're just going to say why this person inspires me. Um, a few reasons why Post Malone inspires me is obviously like I love his music. Um, I've been listening to him since I was 16. Oh my gosh, maybe if I could spell. And I guess like I personally have a connection with his music. I listen to it all the time, no matter what mood I'm in. And I'm not gonna type this too, but I actually went to his concert in March, and when he was on stage, he talked about how he was bullied a lot in school and how like when he came out with his music he was so afraid because he was nervous about what people would think about it, but he said like basically like don't ever let someone else like influence you on your decision, like make this decision for yourself. And he said that by like obviously producing music that was the best decision he's ever made, even though the outcomes in the beginning were kind of like awful. So yeah, so basically, I'm just going to have my students make a really short presentation about their person because they're also going to end up writing a paper about them.